opposition has questioned the IT raids on celebrities across Mumbai and Pune. Congress says IT department has become a puppet of the BJP. It is IT only raiding actors because the IT is only raiding actors that are critical of the government. So that is the reaction coming in from the Congress party, while Tejasvi Yadav of the RJD says the Nazi government is chasing activists and artists and has now deployed the IT and the CBI to conduct raids. So strong reactions coming from the opposition parties on this. Remember, 5 to 6 celebrities are being raided at the moment across Mumbai and Pune. As many as 20 premises being searched, allegedly on a case of tax evasion. Income tax teams are at Taapsee Pannu's house in Mumbai since early this morning. There are raids that are going on at her place, as also at the residences and offices of the other actors and filmmakers. Among those who are being raided include Vikas Behel, Anurag Kashyap and Taapsee Pannu. Raids are being conducted by the IT department. The opposition has come up with strong reactions questioning this move. Let's listen in to Nawab Malik speaking on this.
पिछले कई दिनों से अनुराग कश्यप हो, तापसी हो, कहीं ना कहीं मोदी सरकार की नीतियों पे खुलकर कटाक्ष वो लोग कर रहे थे, आवाज़ उठा रहे थे। उन्हें दबाने के लिए इस तरह की कार्रवाई की गई है और कोई ये नया नहीं, जो सरकार के खिलाफ जाएगा उसे हम दबाएंगे किसी भी तरह से। उसका ताज़ा उदाहरण आज के छापेमारी के जरिए सरकार ने दिया है।
Well, Disha Shah is joining us live from Mumbai. She's outside the residential apartment of Taapsee Pannu, who lives in the suburbs of Mumbai. So, Disha, what is going on at the moment? You were showing us large police presence and officials outside the gate of the residential apartment earlier. At the moment, are the searches still on? And what do the IT teams have to say about why they are there at Taapsee Pannu's residence?
Well, Afrida, certainly the IT teams are here since morning is what we are being told at Taapsee Pannu's residence in the western suburbs of Mumbai. And right now we can see, security and deployment as well in terms of police presence. What we know that the IT team is here since 6 o'clock in the morning, but we still do not know the details as to why they are here, what they are looking for. But the searches are not only conducted here, but the other Bollywood celebrities like Anurag Kashyap, Madhu Mantena as well, Vikas Behel, and even Phantom Films production office. So this is exactly where Taapsee Pannu stays, and that is where we are reporting outside from. What we also know for the fact, Afrida, that along with this, there are a few other names that have come out, because there are approximately in 20 locations where the searches are being conducted by the team of IT department, is what we are understanding, in Mumbai as well as in Pune. As far as Taapsee and Anurag is concerned, we know that both of them are not in the city. They are shooting in Pune. They are outside of the city, so they are not present when the searches are being conducted at their residential premises. But if you talk about the other names that I was talking about, we know that the searches are also at properties of Shibashish Sarkar, who is the CEO of Reliance Entertainment, Afzal Zaidi, who is the CEO of Exceed Entertainment, and Vijay Subramaniam, who is the CEO of Quan Entertainment. In fact, we know that both these agencies are the popular celebrity management agencies. So that's where we know these are the fixed names that we know, and we can confirm for our viewers that searches are being conducted in premises, residential as well as office premises. But what are the details? Tax evasion, of course, is one of the important key, takeaway. But what exactly, why they are here, what exactly they are looking for, is something which we still do not know so far.
Okay, searches are being conducted at 20 locations. Disha, just recapping the information that you are telling us. And what we know so far is that Taapsee Pannu, Anurag Kashyap, Madhu Mantena, Vikas Behel and Phantom Films office. These are the people who are under the scanner, and offices also being raided at the moment. And you also just mentioned about Shibashish Sarkar, CEO of Reliance Entertainment, Afzal Zaidi, CEO of Exceed, and Vijay Subramaniam, CEO of Quan. These three individuals also being raided. How are they connected to this? Are they all involved with the media and entertainment and Bollywood industry. So are these raids specifically targeted to the individuals associated with media and film industry, Disha?
Well, Afrida, if we talk about Phantom and Reliance, they both are partners is what we understand. And that is why, the connection, of course, can be dealt with. If you talk about the other two agencies, your Quan and Exceed, they both are popular, celebrity management agencies here. So not only, of course, Phantom, but I think it's the searches are being conducted in, popular, I think, Bollywood fraternity for that matter. And that is why we are looking at 20 different locations. We are yet to get few more names. We still have no confirmation on that, and that's the reason we are not really putting those names out. But these are the names officially that have been confirmed to us by the IT team that at least in these many premises, the searches are conducted since morning in both the residential premises as well as the office premises.
Okay, Disha, thanks so much for joining us with the important details and for giving us the list of the names, including the CEOs of certain media and entertainment companies who are also being raided. Disha is tracking the story closely for us. Thanks very much.